Hey everyone, welcome back. Does a grand crash advance or crash or freeze, especially when checking your eligibility right on the screen? Here's the fix. A crash on one specific screen usually points out to a corporate cage tied to that particular step. First, force close the grand cap completely from your recent apps, then reopen it. After that, try that same eligibility check screen again, since a fresh lesson alone resolves many single screen crashes. If it crashes again, go to your settings, then toggle airplane mode on. Wait for about 15 seconds, then turn it back off, which will reset your connection. Since that screen depends on live data, check that can silently fail. Reopen Grant again and try on a fresh connection. If the crash is still happening only on that screen, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find Grant, tap Offload app, and reinstall fresh from the App Store, which clears out the specific case data causing the screen to fail. So all you gotta do is force close and retry, reset your connection, then offload and reinstall if one screen keeps crashing. The eligibility check completes normally, and that's it. Subscribe.